Hello and greetings everyone, this is Tech. Today we will be unboxing the Apple Watch SE 2022. I've been using the device for a while now and I will be shooting a long-term usage video. If you'd like to watch that too, don't forget to subscribe. The box of the device looks like what you see in the video, with a white background and black writing, consisting of the Apple logo and the word watch. The label you see on the side is probably a certification label specific to Turkey, which may not be present in your country. The version I have is the 44mm version. It has earbuds on the sides. You can open the box by pulling these earbuds. After opening the box, you will find two more boxes inside, one containing the bands and the other containing the watch itself. Normally, there are protective tapes on the edges, but they are not present because I have already opened and used it. Inside the box, there is a white background with black writing, just like the other box. You will find three different watch bands: medium large, medium small, and one fastening strap. Since I will be using the medium large band, I will take it out along with the fastening strap and set the others aside. Next, we look at the box where the watch is located. As you can see, it only shows the watch. I haven't removed the labels on the edge before, so I remove them and start opening the box. I mistakenly tried to open it by pressing the wrong button, but it turns out it should be opened by the button below. As you can see, the Apple logo appears on the screen. Then I look at the papers on the left side, which are inside app. They are papers like user manuals and warranty documents, but they are not important to me, so I let them aside. Inside, there is a paper with the charging cable. When you open it, you will only find the cable designed specifically for the Apple Watch. When you place it like that, it fits perfectly and holds securely without any chance of falling it off. Since I have already set it up before, it asked me to enter my passcode. I enter the passcode and I also want to show you how to attach the bands. The process of attaching the bands is quite easy, as you can see. We place the bands in the designed areas of the watch, with the metal part facing the part where the watch sensors are, which should come into contact with your wrist. You can easily slide it on and it attaches securely. When you want to remove it, you can simply press the button I showed and slide the strap off easily. When you want to put it back on, you can slide it back without pressing anything. It's that easy. Other than all of this, I will record and review for this watch. If you want to see that, subscribe would be cool and like would be awesome. See ya!